Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G9 Play, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings and then scroll all the way down to System. Here select Advanced and choose Reset Options, which will present you with an option Erase All Data Factory Reset. Once you select that, it will present you with info that this process will remove everything that is listed right over here. Now, in truth, you only need to worry about the three last things that are listed, which is music, photos, and user data, as these tend to be more unique to a user and can be stored locally on the device, while the first three options are primarily, apart from the app data, cloud stored. So for instance, downloaded apps you can re-download from Play Store, Google accounts you can re-log into them, and app data, obviously once you download the apps, which you can do through Play Store, you can regain the app data from it by just setting it up as it used to be. But things like, for instance, photos, if they're not backed up to cloud or some other device storage, obviously you will lose those permanently, and most likely there is no way of getting it back. In any case, we're going to select Erase All Data. I don't have anything that I want to back up, so I can just progress further. And here we are presented with the screen lock. So if you have some screen lock on your device, you'll need to confirm it. Once you do so, you can then select again Erase All Data, which will now begin factory resetting your device. Now this process will take a couple minutes to finish up, so be patient. This, like I said, will take a couple minutes, and once it's completed, we will be then presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.